Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video we will talk about logistic regression. Logistic regression is a classification algorithm. It is used when our label column is categorical. For example, suppose we have a dataset in which we have to predict either a student is pass or fail. There are two types of classification algorithm. First is binary classification. Second is multinomial classification. We generally not use logistic regression to solve multinomial classification because it will not give you good accuracy. We have different algorithms for that. Now the question is how it can find the probability. To find the probability it uses the function known as Sigmoid Function. Sigmoid Function always gives us probability value between 0 to 1. If the probability is near to 1 then it will go for a particular class, but if the probability is near to 0 then the value assigned for other that particular class. Where z is our m multiply x plus b, which we already studied in our linear regression. Now again question is why sigmoid function? Some advantages of the sigmoid function are: the derivation is very easy than other functions. The sigmoid function will predict between 0 and 1. Cost function. In linear regression we used MSE, but here we cannot use that because here we are using sigmoid activation function. If we used it then it become non-convex function, and gradient descent always work with convex functions. We can say that in linear regression we were getting our values, but in this case we will get our probability. The below image is our cost function. M, it is the total number of our data. Now suppose if according to our model if our class is 1, then the fourth point becomes 0, and if class is 0, then our second point will be 0. We will see different type of evaluation metrics for logistic regression in next videos. Subscribe for more videos.